Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today I'll be doing a set of short acrylic nails, so if that's something you'd like to see, stay tuned. I start my nail prep using the Mia Secret dehydrator and I apply a coat of that to each nail. Next, I apply a coat of the Mia Secret primer to each nail. I'm using Modelones Acrylic powder and liquid monomer with my Mia Secret size 8 acrylic brush. I begin by placing a bead of acrylic in the center of my nail. Then I gently pat and push that acrylic in place. Next, I add another bead of acrylic directly above where I placed the first bead. I pat and push that acrylic in place before feathering it down the nail. I place my last bead of acrylic closer towards the cuticle area. I do try to get as close as possible without actually touching my skin. And then I pat and push that acrylic in place before feathering it down the nail. I repeat these steps on all the nails, so I'll just let you all watch and enjoy. These are how the nails look after all the acrylic has dried. And now it's time to file and shape the nails. So I am filing the nails using my 180/100 nail grit file that I got from Model 1. And I'm just gently filing the sides and the top of the nail to get the shape that I want and to make sure the nails are very smooth. And these are how the nails look after they have been filed, shaped, and buffed. And for my last step, I apply a coat of the Mia Secret top coat to each nail. I actually apply 2 coats of this to each nail. And these are how the nails turned out. I absolutely love them. I love the color. It's like a translucent light purple. I love the shape and I think they're super cute and they were super easy to do. Yeah, and I just love how these nails look. I just thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you in the next nail video.